Welcome friends, today I will explain you various gym machines and their functions in English, using active vocabulary. We'll cover the types of machines typically found in a gym, and what exercises you can do with them. Each machine in the gym is designed to target specific muscle groups, with varying levels of isolation and stabilization. Some machines are fantastic for beginners who need more support, while others allow for advanced movements that require greater stability and technique. Using a combination of machines can help you develop a balanced workout routine that targets all major muscle groups effectively. Let's start with leg press machine. What it targets: quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes. How to use: sit down and place your feet on the platform, about shoulder width apart. Push the platform away from your body to extend your legs, then lower it back down in a controlled motion. Smith machine. What it targets: full body exercises, depending on the movement. How to use: the Smith machine is a barbell on a fixed track. You can use it for squats, bench presses, overhead presses, or lunges. The machine's fixed movement can provide stability for beginners, or people looking to focus on lifting form without balance concerns. Leg curl machine, seated and lying. What it targets: hamstrings. How to use: seated leg curl. Sit down, adjust the pad to your ankles, and curl your legs to your glutes. Lying leg curl. Lie face down, place your ankles under the pad, and curl your legs towards your glutes. Leg extension machine. What it targets: quadriceps. How to use: sit with your legs under the pad and adjust the knee position. Extend your legs straight while squeezing your quads, then lower back down slowly. Lat pull-down machine. What it targets: lats, upper back, biceps. How to use: sit down, grip the wide bar, and pull it down to your chest while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Slowly release the bar back up. Seated row machine. What it targets: lats, rhomboids, traps, rear deltoids. How to use: sit on the machine with your knees bent, grab the handles, and pull them toward your torso, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the peak. Chest press machine. What it targets: pectorals, triceps, deltoids. How to use: sit down with your hands gripping the handles, and press them forward until your arms are extended, then return slowly to the starting position. Pec deck machine, chest fly machine. What it targets: pectorals, mainly the chest. How to use: sit on the machine, place your arms on the pads, and bring your elbows together in front of you while keeping your arms slightly bent. Focus on squeezing the chest at the top. Cable machine. What it targets: full body, versatile for many exercises. How to use: the cable machine has adjustable pulleys and handles that allow for exercises targeting various muscle groups. AB crunch machine. What it targets: abdominals. How to use: sit on the machine, place your feet under the pads, grip the handles, and curl your upper body forward to engage the abs. Rotary torso machine. What it targets: obliques and abdominal muscles. How to use: sit with your hands gripping the handles and rotate your torso side to side to engage the obliques. Seated calf raise machine. What it targets: calves. How to use: sit on the machine with your feet on the platform and the weight resting on your thighs. Raise your heels by pushing through the balls of your feet, then lower back down slowly. Smith machine squat rack. What it targets: quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes. How to use: position the bar at shoulder height, and squat down while keeping your back straight. The Smith machine's fixed track helps with stability, especially for beginners. Cable crossover machine. What it targets: chest, shoulders, triceps. How to use: set both pulleys high, step forward, and bring the handles together in front of you, keeping a slight bend in your elbows. Chest fly machine, pec deck. What it targets: pectorals, mainly the chest. How to use: sit on the machine and bring your arms forward in a wide arc while keeping a slight bend in your elbows. Squeeze the chest at the peak of the movement. Back extension machine. What it targets: lower back, erector spinae, glutes, hamstrings. How to use: adjust the pads so they rest just below your hips. Slowly lean forward at the waist, then return to an upright position, extending your lower back fully. Hammer strength machines. What it targets: full body, varies by machine. How to use: these are plate-loaded machines designed for compound movements like chest presses, rows, or shoulder presses. They allow for a more natural movement pattern than some standard machines. You will find a range of highly efficient machines designed to help you achieve your fitness goals in a well-equipped gym. It is important not to procrastinate when it comes to your health and education. By signing up to the gym and subscribing to this channel, you are taking a proactive step towards improving your overall well-being and future perspectives. Consistency is key in achieving and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. As the saying goes, a healthy mind in a healthy body. Subscribe not to miss other videos.